What should I do now, Mira?
First, let me try the cake, and then we can shrink together.
Okay.
Just as I thought, to react to our hidden magic.
Wow, that's amazing.
Zoe, it's your turn to eat now. Eat up! Don't play with the pieces. We want to see how you looked as a kid.
Zoe, don't be afraid. Eat quickly.
Fine. Only you two will get to see how I looked when I was young. Oh, wow! Our baby Zoe is so adorable! Mira, let's go inside the cake! Alright, don't worry, Rumi. We'll be outside to support you. Whoa! Wow! It turns out that inside that birthday cake is a path to the Candy Kingdom. The children in front of the screen must really love this place, right? It's truly wonderful.
Ha ha ha! Hello to the adorable girl and the children watching. I am the king of this Candy Kingdom. How did you get here, little girl?
Is he really the king?
Yeah, that's right. I am the king of this place, but I am old now. I no longer have the strength to govern here, so I am looking for a suitable person to succeed the throne. If you have wandered here, let me show you around, and then I will take you back.
Thank you! Let's go!
This kingdom is wonderful. Here, I could eat candies all my life without running out. It truly is my childhood dream. But I have to go home now. Eating too much candy can cause cavities and isn't good for health. Kids, remember to take care of your health.
Oh, little cute child, do you want to become the king of this sweet Candy Kingdom?
Thank you, King. But I have to go home now. Thank you, and goodbye.
Oh, ho, 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 this little cat is so adorable. It's a pity. So what about the kids in front of the screen? Do you want to be the next king of this Candy Kingdom, huh?